Happy Halloween, Witch's Cat. Happy Halloween, Witch's Cat. My mom is a witch, and I am her special witch's cat. She is a good witch, and together we are just right. Halloween is coming. What will I be? A green frog? Too slimy. Maybe a silver skeleton? Too bony. How about a pink ballerina? Too frilly. Or a black vampire? Too toothy. A yellow mummy? Too tangly. An orange pumpkin? Too smiley. I know, a white ghost. Too spooky. Nothing feels right, so we go home for supper. Just before bed, I have the best idea of all. Mom, I say, I will be a witch, and you can be my special witch's cat. And that's the end of the story. Happy Halloween, Witch's Cat.